Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for the PowerSmart app. First, you'll want to download the PowerSmart application from your device's app store, whether it's for Apple or Android. Once downloaded, open the app and look for the Sign Up or Register option. This is where you'll begin creating your new account. You'll then enter your email address and choose a strong, secure password to protect your information. Make sure to remember these details for future logins. Next, you'll need to provide some personal details to set up your profile. This includes your full name and a contact number, which helps with account verification. Crucially, you'll also input your service address. This step is vital as it links your PowerSmart app to your specific utility account, ensuring you receive accurate information about your energy usage. Always double-check these details for accuracy before moving forward to the next stage of registration. Now, let's connect your utility account. You'll need your utility account number, which can typically be found on a recent electricity or gas bill. Locate this number, which is usually a series of digits, and carefully enter it into the designated field within the PowerSmart app. This connection is essential for the app to access and display your energy consumption data and billing information accurately. Verify the link to ensure everything is correctly set up. Finally, you're almost done. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions of service. Once you're comfortable, accept them to complete your registration. With your account fully set up, you can now explore the app's many features, such as tracking your energy usage in real time and viewing your billing statements. Don't forget to set up notifications for important updates and personalized energy-saving tips to maximize your benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.